is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making tuna rolls. I'm going to need a cup of sushi rice, 1.5 cups of water, an 1/8 cup of rice wine vinegar, 2 sheets of seaweed, a cucumber, 1/3 pound of sushi grade tuna, a half an avocado, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, a dash of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. So let's get started. While we're preparing our sushi rice according to the packaging, we're going to mix together a half a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons or an 1/8 cup of rice wine vinegar, and a dash of salt. We're going to stir this together and set it aside. Now it's time to prepare our vegetables. We're going to cut our cucumber in half and actually peel it. Now we're going to take and cut it in half lengthwise. We're going to take a spoon and scoop out all the seed. Now we're going to cut it lengthwise in thin strips. Okay, now our avocado. We want our avocado to be ripe but firm. We're going to cut our avocado into very thin slices. We're going to set these on the side of our workstation. I've transferred my cooked rice into a bowl, and now I'm going to pour on my rice wine vinegar mix. And I'm going to gently stir this in. Now I'm going to stick my rice in the refrigerator to cool it down. While I'm waiting for my rice to cool, I'm going to cut my sushi grade tuna into 1/2-inch strips. And since I'm only making 2 rolls, I'm just going to cut this piece in half. I'm going to actually put this back in the refrigerator until we're assembling our sushi rolls.
Now to assemble our sushi, we're going to take 1 cup of rice and layer it on. I'd get your hands wet first so that the sticky rice does not stick to you. Now we're going to layer our tuna horizontally onto the sushi roll. And now we're going to do a row of avocado and now a row of cucumbers. Now we're going to carefully and slowly roll the sushi roll together. Now we'll take our sushi roll and cut it into 1/2-inch pieces.
Pace did a wonderful job of assembling our tuna rolls. They look fabulous. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with us.